Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a flight test video featuring the Skydroid H16 and Skydroid S2. Test equipment includes Skydroid S2 GPS kit, Skydroid H16 remote controller and 450 quadcopter frame. Pre-flight preparation. Check if the motor directions are correct. Start by removing the propellers from the drone. Using the American manual mode as an example, push both sticks inward and downward to unlock the drone. Once the motors start spinning, verify that all motors are rotating in the correct direction. After confirmation, attach the propellers. Unlocking and takeoff. In the Skydroid GCS ground station, tap and hold the unlock icon to automatically unlock the drone. Then tap and hold the takeoff icon. The drone will take off automatically. Flight experience. During actual flight, the Skydroid S2 flight control system paired with the Skydroid H16 controller demonstrated highly synchronized control performance. The response is fast, signal transmission is near instantaneous, and the flight control reacts swiftly and decisively, showcasing impressive integration and system stability. Key flight segments such as takeoff, altitude hold, position hold, and directional control were all handled with excellent attitude stability. Especially in windy conditions, the BMI 088 inertial sensor, working together with the GPS module, quickly corrected the drone's posture and maintained a stable hover, effectively resisting external interference. Even when executing aggressive yaw, pitch, or roll maneuvers, the drone's responses remained smooth and natural, with no abrupt movements or flight oscillation. Control precision is high and the flight path remains predictable, making this setup ideal for precision missions such as aerial photography, mapping, or targeted spraying. Control feel and user experience. The Skydroid H16 controller features professionally tuned stick design. The sticks rebound softly yet firmly, with just the right amount of damping to deliver solid tactile feedback. During operation, stick input feels highly linear and smooth, allowing for fine control of drone's speed and attitude, especially suitable for maneuvers that require delicate adjustments. The button layout on the remote is intuitive. Frequently used functions like unlock, takeoff, return to home, and one-key landing are clearly marked. When used with the Skydroid GCS interface, the overall logic is easy to grasp, minimizing the learning curve. The 7-inch high-brightness display on the H16 is also outstanding: high-resolution, smooth real-time video feed, and stable telemetry. Even under direct sunlight, The screen remains readable without additional sunshades, greatly enhancing outdoor usability. System integration and performance. The Skydroid S2 and H16 combination forms a highly integrated and deeply optimized system. From the communication link to flight control logic, image transmission, and ground station control, everything works in sync. Users can enjoy a true out-of-the-box flying experience without tedious configurations. Throughout the entire test, the system maintained excellent reliability. No communication dropouts, no video stuttering, and no abnormal behavior from the flight controller. It also supports advanced features such as live video feed, attitude display, and mission planning, making it suitable for professional use cases across various industries. That wraps up this flight test video for the Skydroid H16 and Skydroid S2. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the content, or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more drone reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.